Hello and good morning, dear students. So, what we are going to study today is the sentence and its types. So, as I have already explained you in the classroom, what are the sentences and what are their different types. Still, if there is any sort of doubt, let's clarify that doubt. So, let us begin. What is a sentence? What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. This we all know. That sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. So what type of sentences are there? Basically there are four type of sentences. How many type of sentences are there? Four type of sentences. What are they? The first type is the declarative. What is it? The declarative sentence. So what is it? The declarative sentence, it means a statement. Declarative is also called the assertive. So it is a statement. Like any statement is if I am saying in your student, the name of the student Riya. Riya is a beautiful girl. So Riya is a beautiful girl. It's a declarative student. A sentence. If I am saying I am your English teacher, so I am declaring something, I am saying something. It's a declarative sentence. The second type of sentence is the interrogative. What is an interrogative sentence? So the interrogative sentence is a sentence which asks question as it's already mentioned. Now next, what is an imperative sentence? So what is an imperative sentence? It's a command. When we command someone, that is called an imperative sentence. Either we can command, advise, request or suggest. Now the last one is the exclamatory sentence. So what is it? The exclamatory. Exclamation means the sudden feelings or emotions. They are called the exclamatory sentences. So basically you are able to see the punctuation marks which we need to add. Like with declarative sentence, we always use a full stop. With an interrogative sentence, we always use a question mark. It is mandatory. With imperative sentence also, we always use a full stop in the end. And in the exclamatory sentences, exclamation mark is mandatory. Now few examples are there. For declarative sentence, John likes Mary. So what the sentence tells? It tells us something. It's telling us something means it's declaring something. It's saying something. Second sentence, does Mary like John? So it's a question. We are interrogating something. We are asking question. So it's an interrogative sentence. Third sentence, imperative. It's a command. Stop, close the door. So it's giving us some instruction. Okay. In this sentence we are getting some command. So it's an imperative sentence. Last is the exclamatory. So what is the exclamatory sentence? It shows sudden feelings, emotions. Okay. So that is called an exclamatory sentence. What a funny story he told us. So it's an exclamatory sentence. Now let's go with the details. Declarative sentence makes a statement. They tell us something, they give us information, and they normally end with a full stop. So I like coffee, subject plus verb. This is a declarative sentence. But declarative sentence is also divided into two parts, positive and negative. Positive means affirmative, negative means negative itself. So I like coffee, affirmative or positive, and I don't like coffee, it is negative. So here it's a negative sentence. I don't like coffee. It's a negative sentence. So next, we watched TV last night. We didn't watch TV last night. So negative, positive. Usually, what we do, we usually use the declarative sentences in our words. Usually, we use only declarative sentences. The next type of sentences are the interrogative. So, do you like coffee? Here, it's an interrogative sentence. Don't you like coffee? It's a negative sentence. Any sentence can be said in a positive way or in a negative way. It doesn't matter. In all type of sentences, the positive sentences are there and the negative sentences are there. Why did you go? Positive. Why didn't you go? Negative. Now imperative. Imperative sentences express the command, advice, suggestion. Sometimes exclamation mark is also there. It's optional. But usually we use the full stop. Like here. Stop. Don't stop. So here stop I am saying when I am using the word stop. It's a command. So here it's an imperative sentence but the exclamation mark is there. So don't get confused. Don't stop is the negative one. Give her coffee. So it's a command, it's an order. Don't give her coffee, it's a negative sentence. Fourth type of sentences is exclamatory sentence. So what is it? We are having certain feelings or emotions, that is called an exclamatory sentence. Wow, what a beautiful place it is. So here I am explaining my emotions. When you are having a strong feeling of emotion, surprise, that all comes in the exclamatory sentence. The usual words in the usually we use what plus noun plus subject plus verb or how plus noun plus subject plus verb in the format. What a liar he is. What an exciting movie it is. How he lied. How exciting the movie is. So these all are the few examples of the exclamatory sentences. I hope you are able to understand it